everybody, Merry Christmas. I'm Craig at Area 419, talking you through our 2023 gift guide for that person in your life that loves their rifle. We'll talk about a couple different types of people, but first I want to tell you what types of gifts we're going to walk through in this guide. For each type of person, the newbie, the competitor, and the hunter, we're going to give you a gift that's on the high end, something in more of that mid-range, something at a value price point, as well as something that might work well in their stocking. Let's talk about gifts for that person in your life who's a newbie but loves their rifle. So for that person, the high-end gift that we think is the best one this year is a CZ457 fully loaded package. This sells for $1,250. It's a really solid, albeit not terribly expensive, 22 long rifle. Now, if you want to shoot this in PRS 22 or NRL 22 or NRL 22X or any of those types of things, it's a great rifle for that. Or if you're just looking for a rifle that's going to allow you to shoot precision targets at further and further distances, a nice 22 long rifle is a great way to get into that. So this is the CZ457 fully loaded. If you're looking for something in that mid-range for a newbie, check out the Atlas Cal bipod. As shown here, these all come with the Area 419 Arc-A-Lock clamp. Additionally, you can pick up Hawk Hill spiked feet for these. These are a great product, come in at about $300. And if the newbie in your precision rifle shooting life doesn't have one of these, they probably want it. If you want something in a value price point for that newbie in your life, check out a 12-inch Area 419 Arc-A-Lock rail kit. Now, I've just got the rail here that I'm showing you, but that kit comes with the rail, the clamp, a barricade stop, and all the hardware you need to install it. So if you want something on that kind of value side, this retails at $225, and you may just find it through the Christmas season on sale here. Now, if you're looking for something small to put in that newbie stocking, the Area 419 match scope rings are a great product there. Now, what you're going to need to know on this is what kind of optic they have and what rifle it's going on. If you need help, you can simply send a couple pictures to us at info@area419.com. We can tell you which rings you want so that when that person pulls them out of the stocking, they're exactly the right ones and they're thrilled. Our next gift guide is for that competitor. Now, this is a person that's already going to matches. They're kind of deep into it and they have a nice rifle, though they might like parts that upgrade it or a little different, or they might not spend the money on it, but you may buy them a nice gift. So the first gift, the expensive gift, or the more splashy thing in that category that we're going to talk to you about is this guy. It's the Spur Ideal Chassis System with Arc-A-Lock. It's one that we like quite a bit. Comes in at about $1,900, and this is a fully featured competition chassis that'll fit most rifles that anybody that falls into this would have. Again, if you got fitment questions, shoot us an email at info@area419.com. The next product, something in that kind of mid-range for your precision rifle competitor that you're buying for, is the Area 419 Tactical Scope Mount. This starts at $330. As shown with the diving board, you're at about $410. This is new to the market this year. It's a really wonderful, robust, well-featured scope mount. Again, if you don't know what kind of optic or what kind of rifle your giftee has, shoot us a photo. We're happy to help you. But the Area 419 Tactical Scope Mount is a great product for that competitive shooter. If you're looking for something in kind of that mid-range price point, we suggest the Hellfire Match Muzzle Brake. It's easy to use, easy to install. Retail on this item is $195, but again, around Black Friday, be looking for some sales. This improves their experience behind the gun, the way it shoots, the way they can stay on target. If they don't have a premium muzzle brake on their rifle, they're gonna love this. And finally, a stocking stuffer for that competitor. It's our new QD Arc-A-Lock mount from Area 419. This allows your person to attach things or detach things from their rifle quickly with a great deal of lockup. It's new this year, so they likely don't have it. Its retail price is $120, but again, Black Friday rolls around, be looking for deals. If the person you're buying for is a hunter and loves their rifle because they love taking that long, precise shot in the field, this is the gift guide for them. So to start with something that's a little bit on the more expensive side, but we know they'll love, check out the Vortex Impact 4000 weapons-mounted laser rangefinder. We've got a full review on this product, but it comes in at about $2,000. And as far as a weapons-mounted laser rangefinder, it's going to be really difficult to find more bang for your buck. And that hunter in your life, they're really going to love it. Now, if you're looking for something in that hunter that's a little less than the $2,000 Impact product, we suggest the kit tripod from Two Vets Tripods. This thing comes in at $875. It's a quality tripod. It's light, it's packable, and if they don't have a quality tripod, they're really, really gonna like you adding this to their pack. If you want something kind of on the value side, we suggest the Grip Changer from Armageddon Gear. Now when this ships, it comes with a kit that it's got a little arm on it that attaches to the ARCA on the bottom of their rifle. It's light, it's packable, it's very stable, and at about $150, it's something that they're gonna use when they go out in the field. Our final suggestion for that hunter in your life, on the stocking stuffer end, is a 4¼ inch ARCA lock rail. This is $45. It's a good way for them to take a rifle that they have and they love and adapt it to ARCA, whether it's to put a different bipod on it or to put it on a tripod when they're hunting or to use the Grip Changer that we just talked about. This is an inexpensive, easy to install product that the hunter in your life is really gonna appreciate. So that wraps up our gift guide for the person in your life that really loves their rifle. Whether they're a newbie, a competitor, or a hunter, I'm sure you'll find something on this list that's in your price point that would fit with what they have and they would absolutely love. But if you didn't find exactly that thing, or you're still just unsure, one gift that can never be wrong is an Area 419 gift card. We'll have the link to all of these products as well as the gift card below. And whether you want to spend $5 or $5,000, we're happy to help you find exactly the right thing for that person in your life that really loves their rifle. So everybody, Merry Christmas. We appreciate you and we look forward to working with you through this holiday season and into the next year.